In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the Shopify free trial. Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be going over the how to use the Shopify free trial. So if you go to the regular Shopify website, it says you enter in your email and you start a free trial, but this is only a 3-day trial. In the description, I actually have a special deal where you get not only the longest Shopify deal, but you also get a annual discount. So I'll go over all that and more. So it'll take you to this page. You want to enter in your email, but before we get to that, Shopify does all these deals, these special deals through only select few partners. So in the future, this deal might not be there. But there's always a new deal which is happening, and you can only access it through select few partners. So you want to put in your email address, hit the start trial, and it'll ask you, let's get started. It'll ask you a bunch of these questions. You can actually skip them, skip all these questions. Do you want to drop ship? Do you want to not drop ship? Skip. And it will ask you to enter in the store name. And once you name it, it's also optional. You could it'll take you to this page. It'll take you to the home page, and you can go through. They have a little setup guide that you can do. You can find products. First of all, you want to install a dropshipping app. If you are dropshipping, if you're doing print on demand, you could set up products here by going. You could also add in products if you're selling custom products. With the Shopify free trial, you also get analytics, but this is not really useful. I'll tell you why this is not useful as of right now, like during your Shopify free trial. But then you got discounts. You can also, I do recommend creating a discount so you get sales quicker. And the first thing you want to do is change up your theme. I do not like Dawn. I actually like I like the like the ride theme, I believe. Yeah, it has like a lot of different customization options, and it's a free theme. They used to have like a few different ones long ago, but now they switch up these themes. So sometimes you might not see these themes, the same ones, later on. So you want to customize your store. So you want to make sure your store does not look like everybody else's. So this way you get a increased conversion rate and all that. And you can also create a blog post. But the issue with the Shopify free trial, here's the issue, right? You will need to remove the password, because once you sign up through the Shopify free trial, it will ask you for and then you try to go to your store, it will ask you for a password. The only way to remove this password is through picking a plan. So what I recommend is for everybody, remember the special trial that I was talking about? If you go through that link, you will actually get a special offer where you can get Shopify for 50% off annually. So this doesn't just work in Canada. I know I'm in Canada, so that's why it's saying CAD, but this also works in the United States and many other countries. So you want to pick a plan and take advantage of the annual deal. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you get the products, you set up your store, and you make sure everything's ready. So you want to pick the maybe you pick your niche, and then you're testing out products, right? So first you want to start off with a general store. You want to be testing products, and then once you do that, you create another store with which is more niche, like a one product store, and then you scale from there. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video on the Shopify free trial and how to use it. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. See you guys next time.